What's up, guys? I was in the F90. I met up with a couple of guys, including Adam in his E60, and they all had exhaust. Their cars sound absolutely amazing. All I could do was the artificial pops. I found what I think is the best exhaust made for an F90 and purchased it, and now it's installed. What's up, guys? So a few weeks back, when I was at Monterey Car Week, I was in the F90. I met up with a couple of guys, including Adam in his E60, and they all had exhaust, and I was stock. We were driving through town, and they're like revving, and their cars sound absolutely amazing. And then all I could do was the artificial pops. Sounded like popcorn. I didn't like it. Done a whole bunch of research, and I found what I think is the best exhaust made for an F90. While I'm researching it, I wanted to make sure that it had every option of what I wanted. It needed to have the gurgles and the pops, whatever you want to call them, every imaginable YouTube video there was to see how they sounded revving. I needed a little bit of the throatiness to it, because obviously it's not going to do the V10 sound, right? So I'm not going to get that, so I need the V8 sound. By the way, that's next. But I needed that V8 sound. Here's the options I found, and all the links for the videos I watched to do my research will be below. Tell me if you think I made the right choice.
Enjoy the thrilling sound.
Made my decision and purchased it, and now it's installed. Here's what it sounds like.